Ever wondered how to elevate your road trip experience? How to make those miles more memorable and less monotonous? Listen up as we unravel 5 brilliant ways to make your road trip more enjoyable, efficient, and, well, extraordinary. The first hack on our list is the snack pack attack. This ingenious hack involves packing a variety of snacks in multiple small containers instead of one large one. This way, you can reach for a container of almonds, dried fruit, or crackers whenever hunger strikes, without having to stop at every fast food joint along the way. Plus, it keeps the car clean and the journey uninterrupted. Moving on to our second hack, it's all about hydration station. Don't forget to pack reusable water bottles for each traveler. Not only does it help save the environment, but it also ensures that everyone stays hydrated during the long journey. Remember, a hydrated traveler is a happy traveler. Third on our list is the digital detour. While it's essential to have a GPS, it's equally important to download offline maps of your route. This guarantees that you'll never be lost, even when cell service is spotty. Just remember to update your maps before you leave, and you'll have a foolproof guide through every twist and turn. The fourth hack is called the soundtrack of your journey. Before you hit the road, create a playlist that reflects the mood and spirit of your trip. It could be anything: 80s anthems, soothing jazz, or even a compilation of all-time rock ballads. Music has a way of making the journey just as enjoyable as the destination. Last, but by no means least, is the overnight oasis. Instead of driving straight through, plan to stop at a campsite or motel. This not only breaks up the journey, but also allows you to discover local attractions and enjoy a restful night's sleep. To summarize, these top 5 travel hacks include the snack pack attack for hunger emergencies, the hydration station to ensure everyone stays refreshed, the digital detour for foolproof navigation, the soundtrack of your journey for an enjoyable ride, and the overnight oasis for a well-rounded travel experience. So, next time you're planning a road trip, remember these hacks and make your journey more than just a drive. If you have a road trip hack, please let us know in the comments and like and subscribe for more content like this.